This is the Wolf Times news desk. Fast, fearless, and focused. Good evening. I'm here with the top story of the hour, a historic shift in Middle Eastern diplomacy that's making headlines worldwide. After months of tense negotiations and global mediation, a landmark moment in modern history unfolded in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt on Monday. US President Donald Trump, alongside leaders from Egypt, Qatar, and Turkey, officially signed the Gaza Peace Agreement, a document being hailed as the most comprehensive ceasefire plan since the start of the Gaza conflict. Trump called the accord a great honor and a historic achievement, declaring that the bloodshed in Gaza has finally stopped. The time has come to rebuild Gaza, and we will all rebuild it together, he said. The deal lays out a three-stage ceasefire, a complete withdrawal of Israeli forces, and the formation of a technocratic governing authority to administer Gaza. It also ensures the safe return of displaced civilians, unhindered humanitarian access, and the reopening of the Rafah border crossing. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi described the agreement as a historic document, praising Trump's leadership and the mediation efforts of Qatar and Turkey. He emphasized that a two-state solution remains the only viable path toward lasting peace between Israelis and Palestinians. In a surprise diplomatic highlight, President Trump made a special mention of Pakistan, calling Field Marshal Asim Munir his favorite field marshal and recognizing Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's presence at the summit. My favorite field marshal from Pakistan is not here today, but the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shehbaz Sharif, is with us, Trump said, inviting the Pakistani leader to the podium. Shehbaz Sharif's remarks were equally powerful. He called the day one of the greatest in contemporary history, lauding President Trump as a man of peace who has worked tirelessly to make his world more stable and prosperous. The Prime Minister even renewed Pakistan's earlier nomination of Donald Trump for the Nobel Peace Prize, crediting him for preventing war between India and Pakistan and now bringing peace to the Middle East. President Trump, Shehbaz Sharif said, is the leader the world needs the most right now. The Gaza Accord has been formally welcomed internationally, with Qatar, Egypt, and Turkey praised for their diplomatic mediation. Analysts say the deal could mark the beginning of a new regional balance where the former advisories now share an interest in stability and reconstruction rather than confrontation. Observers have noted Pakistan's elevated global profile as its leadership continues to be recognized for supporting multilateral diplomacy from South Asia to Middle East. As Gaza prepares for a new era of rebuilding and reconciliation, the world watches closely to see whether this accord will truly hold or if history will repeat itself. Can this peace agreement bring lasting change to Gaza? Will Trump's outreach to Pakistan reshape global alliances? And does this mark the start of a stronger role for Muslim countries in global diplomacy? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your views in the comment section below. You've been watching the Wolf Times News Desk. Fast, fearless, and focused. Stay with us for more verified updates and in-depth coverage from around the world.